Thanks for joining us for another SleepyTini recipe. We have a whole line of SleepyTini recipes that are designed to help you wind down for that hour before bed and get ready for a night of restful sleep. And they're so simple, and we just want you to watch, copy, and enjoy. So this particular one we've done a lot with chamomile tea. Today we're going to do some decaf green tea. This we'll call the Decaf Green Tea Citrus Refresher, the green tea and citrus. We've got decaf green tea. Make sure if you get green tea, it's decaf. You don't want any caffeine. That's not going to help you get to sleep. And we're going to use some orange, fresh orange here. And we're going to use some sweetener. I like the raw, natural agave syrup. We always go for organic when we can. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to take one slice of the orange that I want to put to the side, and then I'm going to slice up the rest of this half of an orange. Okay. And then cut this into smaller pieces, because if you haven't guessed by now, we're going to muddle it. Here goes our orange, and we've got our agave, about a teaspoon, just a little bit. We're not trying to make it super sweet. And in this case, our green tea, just enough to sort of cover the orange, and our muddler. And here we go. Start getting that fresh orange juice out. When you leave the orange peel on, it also has all of that wonderful orange oil in there. So as you muddle, not only are you getting the orange juice and everything out of the pulp, but you're also getting a lot of the oils out of those orange peels. And those can really enhance the flavor of your drink. So, you know, if you've ever taken an orange and zested the peel, you know how potent that orange oil can be. And it smells great, it tastes wonderful. So this is what we've got here. Muddled orange, green tea, some agave syrup. Let's get our mixer here. Pour this inside. Go ahead, add some ice. Cover it up and shake. Okay. Let's take a look. What do we get? Ooh. Looks like a glass of orange juice in a way. But we know more. We know that there's more in there. It smells like a glass of orange juice. Oh boy. It tastes like orange juice, but there's something else in it. You can tell there's something else in it. Now, we know that there is other stuff in it, so we know what it is. But if you were to give this to somebody and they just tested it out, that is really, really good. Okay, so you've got the recipe here for the Decaf Green Tea Citrus Refresher. I don't know what to say to you other than if you don't give these a try, there's no way you'll ever be able to understand how good these things are. That was just an excuse so that I had time to drink some more. All right, we'll see you for our next recipe.